the launch of a big rocket called the Space Launch System, SLS, has recently been postponed by NASA. The U.S. Lunar Exploration Program, which was put on hold following the Apollo project in the 1970s, will resume again if NASA accomplishes its pledge to launch on the 2nd of the following month. Other nations are igniting their enthusiasm for lunar exploration alongside the United States. In accordance with the Space Development Practice Roadmap established in 2007, South Korea also launched the lunar probe Danuri, KPLO, on the 5th of last month. Danuri is currently cruising to settle into the lunar mission orbit. So why does humanity keep exploring the moon? The reignited competition of the lunar exploration. Mankind is currently preparing for large-scale projects in space to find new continental planets. Prior to that, there is a furious race to explore the moon, which will serve as an outpost. After Apollo 17's cancellation in 1972, the U.S. resumed lunar exploration missions. The name of the space project is derived from the Greek moon goddess Artemis. In preparation for an astronaut landing on the moon in 2025, NASA has recently developed a large space launch system, SLS, and a crewed spacecraft, Orion. The Orion, carrying 3 mannequins, will circle the moon twice and return to Earth. Russia will also launch a lunar probe, Lunar 25, at the end of this year, and China will launch Change 7, a spacecraft, in 2024, using gravity assists to save fuel. Although the moon is the closest to our planet in the solar system, getting there is far from simple. On July 16, 1969, Apollo 11 was launched and made a direct flight to the moon. However, it comes with the downsides of using a lot of fuel. But Danuri, which was launched on the 5th of last month, used the Ballistic Lunar Transition Method, BLT, which relies on the gravitational pull of the Sun, the Earth, and the Moon. This method would have to go through the Lagrange point, which is 4 times the distance between the Moon and the Earth. This is a great spot to change the position or speed of a spacecraft with very little fuel. Danuri waits at this point and is pulled down by the Moon's gravity and falls down. With the fuel saved from the procedure, Danuri could work on the Moon for far more days. In the same way, many countries around the world are competing in advance for lunar exploration to procure water and oxygen to the lunar base, which will be the outpost of the space race.